Let's line dance. Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. Before I do, I would love to say how much I appreciate y'all comments. Y'all guys rock. Y'all motivate me, y'all encourage me, and also let me know that I'm on the right track. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for sharing. And thank you for subscribing. If you're watching this channel for the very first time, I want you to know that this is a line dance teaching channel where I teach you step-by-step instructions. So if you like the content, please consider subscribing. And if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Now, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you want to dance to the music, the demo, I'm going to post it till the end, at the end. So make sure you click on that video and let's dance together. Guys, I'm so excited to tell you about the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the Nola Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Yes, it's next year, but it'll be here before you know it. We open registration this year, June 1st, 2025. Head over to our website, read about everything, the registration, all the additional activity, everything. You can book your room right there at our website, www.lmiunola.com. So guys, are you ready? This next dance I'm going to teach you, it is so smooth. Instructors is perfect for cool down. Right before your class, walk out the door. This is the perfect dance. And let me tell you something. Something about a cool down. It's not only the tempo, but it's also the mental, the music. The music soothes you and calms you down before you go out the door, okay? So it's not just only the dance, but the music also. It's called 215 Good Feelings. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. Let's go. It is a one-wall dance. So I'm going to dance on this wall here in the demo, but I'm going to teach you from here. So you're going to start with a lindy to the right, a lindy to the left, a lindy to the right, and then we're going to come straight back on that fourth one to set up for the next step. That's going to be our transition. Okay, so we're going to lindy. I want you to stand on this side of the room if you're not already, and you're looking in this direction. We're dancing side by side. I am going to turn, so I don't want to teach here, because once I turn, you're going to be looking back at the wall. So here, when I turn, we're going to be side by side, okay? So here we go. So we're going to lindy to the right, stepping on the right. So it's right, rock, back, recover, go left, rock, back, recover, right, rock, back, recover, left, straight, back, recover. So on that fourth one, we don't go to the left, we go back, straight back, because we're getting ready to set up, so go to the next step. So there's no need of us going to the other side, okay? So watch that instructor. Some of your students will go to the other side, but we need to be here. So we don't need to go from here to go back here. We're here already, okay? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, lindy. Right, rock, back, recover. Left, rock, back, recover. Right, rock, back, recover. Left, straight, back, recover. Okay? Now, we're going to do a rock up and do a walk easy with a half turn with our right shoulder coming back. Right up, right back, sit back, right, left, right, and left. Okay? So from here, we rock up. 1, 2, back, 3, 4, which is right, left. So when I'm doing my rock up with my easy, with my right shoulder coming back, I'm switching my weight. So it's right, left, right, left. Okay? Then we sit back on the right, on the left, on the right, and the left. We do that 4 times. Okay? Let's put that together. 5, 6, 7 with the Lindy. Right, rock, back, recover. Left, rock, back, recover. Right, rock, back, recover. Left, straight back, recover. Right, left, right, right, and left. Okay? From here, my weight is on the left. I'm going to walk up for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left. And I'm going to drag on the right and left. I'm going to go right, left, drag. I'm going to go tap out right, left. Right, left, then drag, tap, right up, and left up. I'm going to do it again. Right, left, drag right, then sit back right, sit back left, tap. Right, left, drag, tap, up, right, up, left again. Right, left, drag, right back, left back. Okay? So I did that 4 times. So from here, if you can recall, I walked up 4 times. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, I tap out right, left. Right, left, I drag right, tap right, step up, left. And then tap out right, left, drag right, tap right, sit back, left. And tap out right, left, drag right, tap up, left. Tap out right, left, drag right, back, left. That's all of part 1. So I did that. I walked up 4 times, and I dragged with the tap going up, and I did it again coming back. I did it again going up. I did it again coming back. So I did it 4 times. Okay? That's the bulk of the dance. The rest of them, you're gonna do it. You're gonna do it again from this wall. This might be a 2-wall dance. I'm gonna still say it's a 1-wall. Yeah. Yes, it's a 1-wall dance. I'm gonna say it's a 1-wall dance. So we just do part 1 twice at the front and back wall. Okay? So let's just stay here. Don't let me confuse you. So after we do that, we start the dance over. Okay? So you're doing part 1 twice. Now, just because we at a different wall, don't mean it's a 2-wall dance, okay? We still haven't finished the dance up. When we start the dance over again, it'll be at the front wall. So it is a 1-wall dance. So from here, just what I taught you, you're going to do it again at this ball. Start with the Lindy. Rock back, right, rock back, recover, left, rock back, recover, right, rock back, recover, left, straight back, recover, rock up, turn back, step back, right, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Walk it up for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap right, left, drag, tap up, right, up, left. Tap it out again. Right, left, drag, tap, back, right, back, left. 2 more tap. Right, left, drag, tap, up, right, up, left. Tap, right, left, drag, tap, back, right, back, left. Okay? Now, so you just did part 1 at the front and back wall. Okay, here's the next part. So you walk up for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You roll it to the next wall. And you're going to do it at all 4 walls. Walk it up again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you roll 4 times, doing a quarter turn. So you can take your time left, roll. 2, 3, 4. And right, left, and roll. 2, 3, 4. And out, drag, tap. Up, right, out, left. Tap out. Right, left, right. Tap back, right, back, left. You go back to that. Right, left, drag. Tap, up, right, up, left. Do it again. Right, left, drag. Tap, back, right, back, left. Tap. You're going to walk it up again. So the part that I taught you, part 1, you're only going to do it at the front and back wall. Okay? From the rest of the song, all you're going to do is walk up for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll. 2, 3, 4. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll. 2, 3, 4. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll. 2, 3, 4. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, and roll. 2, 3, 4. From here, you go with that tap. Tap, tap, drag, tap, up, right, up, left. Again. Right, left, right, tap, back, right, back, left, tap, right, left, right, tap, up, right, up, left, tap, right, left, right, tap, back, right, back, left. Walk it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. That's a dance. You alternate between the walking up and doing all 4 walls and the drag. Okay? That's the dance. So check out the demo and you know exactly what I'm talking about. Make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what you're thinking. Your feedback is very important. Lets me know if I'm going in the right direction. It lets me know if I'm teaching too fast. Everything, okay? So your comment, I read every last one of them, okay? And I take it and I apply it to my teaching. So don't think that it's null and void. It isn't. I take everything that y'all guys leave in the comment into consideration. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. If you have never been to a line dance weekend, this should be the one. And I want you to ask around. Ask them, like, have you ever been to the Nola Southern experience? Let's Mess It Up. Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher. Tell me about it. Everything is right there at our hotel. So go to our website and read about everything. This is the perfect time. If you've never been and maybe you're considering it, go to our website. We spell everything out for you, okay? www.lmiunola.com. And we're celebrating our 10th year. So this is our 5th time. We do it every other year. All the 4 previous time, we've sold out. So we know we're going to sell out this time. It's just a matter of who gets in first, okay? All right, guys. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.